Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do some stone art. We are going to paint some stones and make it a masterpiece. So for that I have some ideas, and so let's search for stones outside, and after that we'll wash them. Clear surface is what we need, and then keep it to dry, and after that we can apply a coat of gesso. I'm using a Brustro gesso studio. You can use what you have, or if you do not have one, then you can just coat the stone with white acrylic paints. So we just need a canvas, white canvas, and for our painting, so we are just using it and making it a white canvas. So here's what we need: rock, acrylic paints, paint brushes, and gesso. So today we are not just painting a rock, we are uncovering its incredible journey. Before we start painting, let's imagine the journey of this rock, which it has been, from the start to the finish maybe, and to the finish to the point where it is in our legs in front of us as a canvas. So this morning when me and my brother were watching Shinchan, and if you are a fan of Shinchan, you know that Bochan has a special love for rocks. In that episode, he requests his friends and teachers to imagine the journey of rock it has been gone through. So in this video, we will paint a rock and imagine its story through Bochan's eyes. So let's begin the story, and also let's begin to paint. This rock may have started its journey in a mighty mountain far, far away, broken free from the forces of nature carried by rivers. It tumbled down streams, smoothing its rough edges. It might have spent years on a riverbed, polished by water and time. Just like time polishes us, it also had polished this rock that is in front of us. Before washing ashore, picked up by the waves, it traveled along the coast, collecting memories, like the life that we have. We move on, we grow up, and then we collect memories. It's the same thing, like the rock and us. We both have similar kind of life memories. So finally it rested on a riverside, waited to be discovered and transformed. When I was in class 7 or something, my father gave me a book titled Letter from a Father to His Daughter, which is also one of my early books that I have studied except my academic one. In one of the chapters, it is written by Jawaharlal Nehru to his daughter Indira Gandhi. So in one of its chapters, it was written that the similar kind of story was written that we have discussed earlier about the rock and the journey. Maybe he wanted to encourage his daughter about the struggle the life has to offer, but also eventually all the hardship is for our betterment. This is the main message I guess he wanted to tell her, and just not to give up, and don't think that life is harsh and everything, but it's just a way for us to improve. It's just a way for us to grind and become something that we are always meant to be. That is, I guess there were much more deeper meanings in that, but the whole thing comes and sums up to it like, don't give up, and life and the universe is always there for us to make our life make us better, like to make the diamond that shines very beautifully. So what kind of journey do you think this rock has been before it reached you? And now let's give this rock a new story with our painting, and you can use this rock as a piece of art in your room. It can use as a decoration in your room. It can be used as a garden decor. You can also use it in your art and craft classes. You can also use it as a paperweight in your office. There are multiple things that you can see, that you can do, you can just keep it there and remind yourself that, wow, that masterpiece. that piece. I have made it. And don't worry about the references and all. You can just go and sit and take one reference if you want, but if you do not want, then just let the process be. Go with the flow and paint whatever you want, whatever comes up in your mind. It does not have to be perfect. And all the colors that I am using for this painting, I'm mixing them in front of the camera so it will be easier for you to understand. And these are all basic colors. If you want to mix some other colors, if you want to try to paint with some other colors, it's absolutely fine. It does not have to be similar or anything. So you just have to be there. I'm mixing them with white acrylic paints because it gives lighter shades and it's more colorful, I guess. I like them that way, therefore I'm doing it. You absolutely do not have to do that, or if you want to, you can also. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more.